Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today I'm showing you how to do my signature winged eyeliner. Okay, if you struggle with winged eyeliner, I feel you. The struggle with symmetrical wings is so real. But once you get the hang of it, it is so much fun and totally just transforms your makeup look. I love it. I always do a cat eye, like even on days where it's totally unnecessary to have like a full glam winged look. I just like feel naked without it. I love my wings. I've been doing it since like high school. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. Okay, so there's like a zillion hacks out there for doing winged liner, like putting a piece of tape or a card or bobby pin to help guide you and draw a straight line. But just wait, when I show you my hack for doing your perfectly straight, sharp winged liner, you're gonna die. I mean, if I do say so myself, it's pretty genius. You're gonna love it. And this is a great trick for beginners too, just for a consistent way to easily get symmetrical wings every time you do your makeup. Now, I like to rock a winged eyeliner on the daily. I've been doing it forever. So leave me a comment down below. Do you like to use a cat eye look for everyday look? Or do you like to save it for special occasions? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a few of my favorite eyeliner pens right now, and as always, I'll leave a link to everything in the description box below so you can go check that out. So I like to use either the felt tip pen or the brush tip liquid eyeliners. I don't really like the Too Faced brand pen because it isn't that transfer resistant and it'll end up getting black on the top of my eyelid, but my faves are either the Stila or the Kat Von D brand. The Stila has more of a felt tip and the Kat Von D has more of a brush tip that I like a little bit more because I feel like it stays sharper for longer. And I always use black when I'm doing my wings, so make sure you're not getting a brown or a gray. I just think a winged liner looks best in a dark pigmented black. The most difficult part is getting the wings at the same angle, so my number one trick to guide your wings is to use a small concealer brush and some concealer to paint on guidelines. So I just took this little brush and painted a line upward from my lower lash line and just continue on towards the brow, stopping about halfway. This way you can erase and redo as many times and give yourself a perfect little guide so you don't mess up all your makeup by trying to do it with black, and then if you mess up, you have to take it off and it just ruins everything. This is kind of what I do when I'm piping decorations on a cake. I'll mark it out with using a similar color frosting so I have an invisible guide for a perfect end product. Another tip is to make sure you position your mirror in front of you and slightly underneath you so you can look downward. This way your lid is flat and you don't have any creases getting in the way. So next we go in with the black, and you're just going to line your eyes and make a thin line as close to your lashes as possible, getting thinner as you get in towards the inner corners of your eyes and thicker towards the outer corner. Now we add the wings, so just trace along your concealer guide starting at the corner of your eye, working your way outward and upward, and just lighten pressure as you go up so it gets thinned out towards the end for a super sharp point at the end of your cat eye. But with these pens, you can go over and over without it getting cakey and flaking. They're really highly pigmented and super black. They glide across your lid in really smooth strokes. They last all day, and if you know how to hold a pen, you know how to use one of these. It just gives you a lot more control than using like a brush or any other type of eyeliner that I've tried. And just go ahead and connect the top back down to the already lined eye in a kind of triangle shape to connect the wing to your liner. I have pretty round eyes, so I love using this technique to create the illusion of more of a lifted, more almond-shaped eye, and I just love the way it transforms my eye shape. So at this point, I don't even need the concealer trick anymore because I know how angled and how long I like my wings, but this is so helpful if you're just starting out and just to get the hang of how to do a perfect wing eyeliner for your eye shape. Last, I'm just going to go in and clean it up with the little concealer brush to really sharpen the wing and blend any concealer that I used for the guide right into my skin. And for the finishing touches, I like to add a little black pencil liner to my waterline on the bottom and top, and some fake lashes to really make my eyes pop and pull the look together. You definitely don't have to use fake lashes. I just like to be extra and really create a glam look. And listen, some days you're gonna get them both perfect in one swoop, and sometimes not so much. Just take your time. The more steady and smooth each stroke is, the nicer it turns out, but practice definitely helps. So each time you do it, the better you'll get until you don't even need the concealer guide anymore and you can just freehand your cat eye winged eyeliner. Alright, so there is the finished look. Don't you feel so fierce? Alright guys, if you recreate this look or give any of my hacks a try, be sure to go follow me on social media and tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and see all of your beautiful faces. And if you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up so I know to create more just like it, and then go check out my full glam makeup tutorial that I did along with this, because if you guys like this video, you are gonna love that one. It's camera ready, full glam, step-by-step tutorial. Alright, thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye! Yes. Thank God they had a kitty filter, because you guys, on my YouTube channel today, I am showing you how to do a perfect cat eye. So if you want to see the step-by-step tutorial on how I do my winged eyeliner, go check it out on my YouTube channel.